Okay, we're coming up to Waterfall. Last obstacle for today. Jeff can't get up it. Let's see.
I'm going to need to back up just a little bit. I need to scoot to my right just a bit. Damn, I wish I didn't say the winch thing. That's a terrible word. Hold on, there's a winch point up here, but hold on, let me get past this section right here, and I'll come back and help.
Were you lost when you went up?
Yes, I was, yeah. Yeah, I went up on that far right-hand side of it, too. Hold on, let me get her to help me through. Here, and like I say, there's a winch point pegged into that ground. We can just hook your winch to that too. So let me get up here just a little bit so that we'll have enough room for everybody to get up. That's a pretty tough one. Okay, on your passenger side, all the way in there's a bunch of rocks kind of down on that side. I just went real close to that. The first time I tried, it was a little bit to the left, and all I did is slide sideways. So coming up right next to all those rocks. It's a really steep one. They got all these rocks chained together. I'm not really sure why. So we're just going to come way over here next to these rocks and then come into it straight my way, squaring the corner off, and come right up. So like I say, you're coming straight at me. Perfect. So you have a slight turn to the driver. All right, there you go. Yeah, everybody get all your winch stuff ready, all that kind of supplies. So we might, just in case, we have to pop you on this hill and winch you up. Okay, and then you're going to kind of help him too. He's going to winch, and you're going to slowly give him some gas. Hold up. There you go. Give him some help with just gas. Try to drive up it. There you go. Perfect. Just come right on out. And to be honest with you, yeah, as soon as I hit it, I mean, I just gave it gas. Excellent. It's scary because it wants to slide you over into these rocks. So as you're coming up the hill, you're turning just a little bit driver, so you're squaring that hill off as best as you can. Stay down there real close to those rocks. Come up on it, get your front tires, and then as you're coming up, try to come up towards this winch.